Hi, this is Jessica Simpson with Lula Loops and Stitches. In this video, I'm going to show you how to single crochet decrease. Single crochet decrease is abbreviated as SC2TOG, which means single crochet two together. The idea here is to work each stitch within the last step to complete it, leaving the last loop or loops on the hook. You then yarn over and draw through all the loops on the hook to combine two or more stitches into one. Got it? No? Okay, then let's go through step by step. To single crochet decrease, start by inserting into the stitch as you would to start a single crochet. Yarn over and draw the yarn through the stitch. Now you have two loops on your hook. Now insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have three loops on your hook. Yarn over again and draw the yarn through all three loops. And this is how it's done. Now let's repeat another one. These are the two stitches we are going to work on, okay? We are going to insert the hook as you would to start a single crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have two loops on your hook. Now we are going to work in the next stitch. We are going to insert our hook on the next. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you should have three loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw the yarn through all three loops. This is how easy it is done. If you have questions, please ask in the comments. You can also share any other projects you need help with, and I will try my best to accommodate my time and make it happen for you. Thank you and see you next time. Hey, don't forget to check out my videos where I show you step by step those skills needed in order for you to start this crochet journey. And don't forget to subscribe.